Welcome to the channel. If you'd like to harness the power of ChatGPT and learn a language, I have got a few steps that you can take to progress your language learning. So let's do it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are jumping straight in now and we are going to go through a few techniques. I'm also going to show you the practical ways of doing this. So let's jump straight in. The first thing is personalizing your reading and your listening. So generate learner-friendly summaries of popular books or podcasts in your target language to build vocabulary and comprehension. You could get, for example, Turkish summaries of atomic habits or French breakdowns of trending topics. The next thing you should do is explore complex topics. So instantly get simplified explanations on history, culture, or literature tailored to your proficiency level. And this is the important part. Make sure that it's tailored to your proficiency level, making it challenging and accessible and engaging for learning at any stage. So you can then also simulate realistic conversations. This can help you receive grammar corrections and get instant feedback. It's perfect for practicing anytime when human conversation partners are not available. Then use browser extensions or apps with voice control, such as ChatGPT, to practice speaking and listening. So some of the advanced tools offer pronunciation analysis for targeted improvement. The last thing I just want to go through before we get into the practical set of the video, what you need to do is combine AI with real interaction. So ChatGPT is a powerful supplement, but it's not a replacement for human conversation or immersive cultural experiences. Be aware of your own limitations. It may lack accurate pronunciation guidance. It may also struggle with slang or dialects and occasionally produce errors. So always cross-check everything with some trusted sources or a human, and then tailor your practice by asking ChatGPT to act as a tutor, generate quizzes, or create writing prompts to deepen your skills systematically. And then you can also have a look at some other specialized apps which you can connect to ChatGPT. And then the last thing is, with everything you do, stay consistent. Make sure that you are doing it on a regular basis, and eventually practice makes perfect. Now let's jump into the practical part. Here I'm going to show you in ChatGPT how you can actually do the conversation practice. So what we are going to do is, within this new chat, we're going to go to the right hand side and you'll see dictate and you'll see use voice mode. Now once you've clicked on use voice mode, you will have to make sure that you give permissions for your microphone and agree to its terms and conditions and so forth. And I'm going to show you exactly what this could look like. Hey there. I want to learn how to speak French, but I'm a total beginner, so I need you to do a bit of back and forth conversation with me. Maybe in the beginning you can include the English version of the sentences or statements that you're saying, and then I could maybe try and answer you. I need you to also give me guidance, and I need you to correct my responses.
That sounds like a great plan. I'd be happy to help you out. Let's start with some basics. We'll begin with a simple greeting. In French, to say hello, you say bonjour. You can try saying that if you'd like.
Okay, that sounds great. All right, so bonjour.
Perfect. You've got it. Now, if you want to say how are you in a formal way, you can say comment allez-vous? And if you want to say it in a more casual way, you can say comment ça va? Feel free to try either one.
Comment c'est-vous?
That was very close. The correct way to say it is comment allez-vous, with a little more emphasis on the aller. Great effort though. And if you want to try the casual version, comment ça va? That works as well.
Okay, there we go. So you can see now that I said some of the phrases correctly, some of them incorrectly, and I was corrected. And this is a fantastic way to practically learn. You can do this on your mobile device as well. I hope this was helpful.